How's it going, guys? Adam Dice here. I'm here to tell you why you need a sales funnel, but today we're going to do a special little video because I got a special package in the mail today and we're going to do a little unboxing video. This ought to be exciting. So we got a little something special in the mail today and I'm a little excited about it, so I wanted to share that with you guys and we can open this thing together. And without further ado, it is my one funnel away package. Okie dokie, let's see what's in this box. So I haven't opened this yet. I did rip this part just so I didn't have to fiddle with that, but other than that, I haven't seen what's in here. So without further ado, let's see what's inside here. Ooh, fancy. What's that say? How would you like to earn $100 every time someone joins the One Funnel Away challenge with you? Ah, that's a little hint. So I will be doing that. I'll have a little link in the description for you guys if you want to do this. So your training officially begins now. And it looks like we got some nice packaging here. Let's see what this is. Come on. Come on. I'm not gonna let this beat me. Ooh. That's cool. Ooh. MP3 player with a whole bunch of stuff on it. I'm not sure what all's on that. That's cool. I don't know what this is, but it's wrapped in a nice thing here. Let's see. Ooh, look at that. That's super cool. Wow. You suddenly lose everything. 30 days. What would you do from day 1 to day 30 to save yourself? This is super awesome. That's like really nice quality. That's awesome. What? Oh, that makes sense. That's not a real $100 bill. That's funny money. But it makes a nice bookmark. What else we got in here? I'm gonna make a huge mess. Oh, this is gonna be messy. 2 Comma Club coaching. That's cool. Let's see what's in here. Oh, this is so like Christmas. Oh, the One Funnel Away workbook. This is awesome. I already started going through this stuff because we were a couple weeks into the challenge that I started, that I joined to get this book. So I've already done some of this stuff, but it was all PDF form. This is actual physical workbook that I can fill out, which is super awesome. I like that ring binding. That's super awesome. All right, what else we got? I think this might be, is it? Is it really? Oh man, super excited. Super, super excited. Oh, come on. Oh, I can barely contain myself on this. Get it. Oh, okay, here we go. Is it? Yes, empty box. Okay, well, that was a letdown. Okay, guys, that was super awesome. Like, this is really, really cool stuff. This was worth the $100 right here. I mean, this book is amazing. I think if you bought a book like this in Barnes & Noble, it would cost you at least 50 bucks. 40 to 50 bucks, easy. I mean, it's hardbound, it's nice quality. I mean, over 500 pages of amazing content. This is the 30 entrepreneurs that made over $1 million using ClickFunnels. This is their 30-day plans of how they would start from zero to get back to $1 million in 30 days. So there's super, super awesome information in this. I've already went through a lot of it. Like I said, when I signed up, they gave it to us in digital form, and there's videos that you have access to with interviews with these entrepreneurs. So that's super awesome. They are doing this, starting this over. The registration is ending in February 24th. So you can get on the next round of this 30-day training. I'm into it pretty far. I'm a little bit behind because I got so super busy with work. I took on a bunch of new clients. So I'm super excited to apply a lot of these new things. It was genuinely like Christmas. I mean, I love getting things in the mail. I always love getting things in the mail, even if it was junk mail. At least I got something. I'll have a link in the description on how you can sign up for this 30-day challenge. Go check it out. You get this full package of stuff. The reason I got mine late was they had some problems with the manufacturing of the very first round. So chances are if you sign up for this next round of 30-day challenge, you'll get your package right away before the actual challenge starts. So I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing video. I'll get back to my normal videos next week. Like I mentioned on my Facebook page, I'm going to be going to just one video a week because, like I said, I've got some new clients now. My schedule got extremely busy over the past couple of weeks. I got a big car show coming up this weekend. So if you're in the Minot area, come to the North Dakota State Fair Center this weekend and check out the car show presented by Nodak Speedway and the Magic City International Dragway. So be looking for a new video on Friday, and I got some cool stuff planned. So stay tuned and share with your friends. So like and subscribe this video, please, and check out my free report on the top 5 things that you need to know about sales funnels by going to ynasf.com. And until next time, stay focused and stay vigilant.